headed to the mountains. I'll be back in a week or two.
Dinner.
Don't you try to reach me.
Took them 30 minutes to make this. Actually, more than 30 minutes. So we got the same thing. Fried rice and chicken katsu for about $4. And then we got apa nama ni Fitri? Pangsit. They already lemau. It's good though. The fried rice is damn good. Should be healthy, right? Damn nice actually. The fried rice. They got the chili like. Mee goreng.
Pick up for you. I've got some things I need to do.
My matcha. I haven't mixed it. Strawberries, very sweet. The matcha is like not properly whisked. No, it's just the notes of it is like not very strong, but the sweetness is very clean.
Oh, I'm headed to the mountain where the air is sweet and new. Don't you try to reach me, 'cause I don't wanna talk to you. I've got some thinking to do. I'm trying to let go. I think it could help being alone. And I'm trying not to let you make me cry. I've spilled too many tears, and I think I deserve to be alone. And don't you try to reach me while I pick myself up and go. I've got to do this on my own. I need to build myself a home. Oh, I'm headed to the mountains, the only place I feel at peace. And I knew you'd come after me, so I threw away your keys. But I know you never go when I say leave. I'm headed to the mountains, don't wait up for